Welcome to PyMaster. A program will get input from user through some input device. The primary input device of any system would be keyboard. Python has built-in functions to do that operation. In version 2 there were two functions, whereas in version 3 there is only one function. So reason for this is because there were some security problems with the old version. So we'll explain the problem in this session, and we will let you know how to typecast explicitly, because we have dropped one functionality from the previous version. So we need to do that explicitly. We'll cover that in this session. Let us see how Python version 2 helped us to get input from keyboard. Raw input is one of the function to get input from user. So now we are using interactive mode, so it would be easy for me to explain. So now if we put any string, that will be stored to the variable v1. If we print it, we can see it. There is a function called type which will say what is the type of the variable. So it will be string because it is in text within quotes, right? Similarly, if I use raw input function, but this time if I give a number, even if I give a number, that will be taken as a string. If I am giving 72, if I print v2, it will be 72 within quotes. If you see, the type will also be a string. So if you want to take numbers, means we should use another function which is called input. So v3 is equal to input of enter anything. So if I am giving 72 now, so now if I print v3, it will be numbers 72 without quotes. If I see the type, it will be init. But if I use this input function to get a string, means mostly it will give me an error. In rare cases it would give an output that we will see shortly. In this case, if I am printing something, some text, then it will give me an error. This is how version 2 works. In version 2 we can use raw input to get string value. So if I use raw input to get name of a person, then I can use like this. So if I give a name Ram, then Ram will be stored in v1. But if I try to get a string input through input function, then it will throw me an error. So here if you see, if I am getting raw input, input of enter anything, or maybe if I giving asking for name, in that case if I give Ram as an input, then it will throw me an error. But if I give a built-in function like exit with open and close parenthesis, then instead of getting the input operation, it will close the program. So this is the issue that we had. We will see how they fixed in version 3. In version 3, we have replaced raw input function as input function. So we will not be able to get integer input straight away. We will be getting input as string and we need to typecast it. This is a two-step process and it takes more time, but still this is the right way of doing, because if you allow the implicit typecasting, then that gives access for hackers to misuse that functionality. So in this way, developers become more conscious about the loopholes in our technologies. So this is how we do. So we can typecast using int function. So this is what we have demonstrated. Thank you.